Hello friends, Hao. In this video, we are going to learn about the relations or relationships, that how to say, write and pronounce relationships in Chinese language. So the guys, there raises a question that what is meant by relations or relationships. So these are the person we deal with them in our daily lives, like our father, our mother, our sister, and so on. So guys, this is Saif. You are welcome to my channel. Let's start.
So guys, in the video, first we will see how to say grandfather and grandmother in Chinese language. Very simple. The grandfather, the Chinese of grandfather is ye, ye. Ye. How to pronounce? Ye. And if I write twice, it becomes ye. Ye, meaning grandfather. Okay. The next one is grandmother. How to say in Chinese grandmother? Very simple. N-A-I. Nai. How to pronounce? Nai. If I write this nai twice, it becomes nai. Nai meaning grandmother, and ye meaning grandfather. Next we will see how to say father and mother in Chinese language. For father, B-A. Pa. How to pronounce pa? In Chinese, B is pronounced as pa, and it becomes pa. If I write twice, it becomes Papa, meaning father. And the next one is mother. How to say? M-A, ma. If I write twice, it becomes mama. How to say father? Papa. How to say mother? Mama. Right? Guys, the next we are going to learn is how to say uncle and auntie in Chinese. It's also very simple. For uncle, we have shu, S-H and U, shu. If I repeat this, it becomes shu. Shu meaning uncle. And for auntie, A-Y-I. I. How to pronounce this? I meaning auntie. Shushu, uncle. I, auntie. How to pronounce? It will be pronounced as I. The English alphabet I. Guys, now we have how to pronounce and say brother, sister and siblings in Chinese language. For brother, we have the Chinese word that is xiong-di, X-I-O-N-G. How to pronounce? Xiong. If I put D-I, it becomes, in front of this, it becomes xiong-ti, and its meaning is brother. For sister, we have is che, J-I-E, che, and also we say chie. And che both are fine, but in this case we will say che. And if I put M-E-I, me, it becomes che me, and its meaning is sister. Xiong-ti, brother. Che me, sister. If guys, I combine both these, it becomes siblings, like Xiong ती, चे में. If I combine these, it becomes shong ti che mein, and its meaning is siblings. Shong ti che mein, meaning siblings. So guys, in our relationships lecture now we have elder brother and younger brother. Elder brother and younger brother. How to say and pronounce and write in Chinese language. First we will see elder brother. Elder brother in Chinese we have ge. How will we pronounce it? Ge. G-E. Ge. Ge. If I write twice ge, it becomes g, 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 and its meaning is elder brother. The next thing we have is younger brother. For younger brother, I have T, D-I-T, T. If I repeat it, it becomes T, T. If I write twice, it becomes T, 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 T. T, and its meaning is younger brother. Okay? Guys, now we have the vocab for our beloved sisters. How to say elder sister and younger sister in Chinese. The first we have is elder sister. For elder sister we have Jie, J-I-E. How to pronounce Che? If I write twice, it becomes che, 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 che. Che, che meaning is elder sister. And for younger sister, I have me, me. If I write me twice, it becomes me, me. And me, me meaning is younger sister. So guys, if I remind you that we have seen for sister, che mein. For sister, the Chinese word is che mein. I have taken this che for elder sister and for this mein for younger sister. Very easy. Che che, elder sister. Me younger sister. And che mein, it's meaning sister. Now guys, we have very important two persons. First one is our friends and second one is enemy. This is a person we love a lot. And this is a person we love very much, but this is the person we hate. First we will see how to say, pronounce and write Chinese for friend. It's Pangyo. P. In Chinese language, P is pronounced as P, P-E-N-G. It becomes Pang. And if I put Yo, it becomes Pang Yo, Y-O-U, Yo, Yo, Pang Yo, Pang Yo. And its meaning is friend, friend, Pang Yo, friend. And the second one is enemy. For enemy we have T, D-I-T, T, T. And if I put run, it becomes T, run, D-I-R-E-N, T, run, T, run. And its meaning is enemy. Pangyo, friend. Tiran, enemy. Guys, these are the next we have, and these are also very important, particularly for those who are going to be married in 2019. Now, first we have is husband. How to say husband in Chinese? It's also very easy. We have lao, L-A-O. How to pronounce lao? Lao, lao. If I put gong here, G-O-N-G, gong, gong. and it becomes 老公. 老公. Its meaning is husband. And for husband, there is also another word that is 丈夫. Z-H-A-N-G. Chang. In Chinese, ZH is pronounced as ch, and it is chang. If I put F and U, it becomes fu, chang fu. Chang fu and lao gong both have the same meaning, that is husband. The second word is wife. For wife, we have lao pa, L-A-O, lao. Lao. And if I put here pa, P-A, pa, it becomes lao pa. Lao pa. As I have earlier said that P is pronounced as pa, so it becomes lao pa, and its meaning is wife. For wife, another Chinese word is thai, T-A-I, thai. In Chinese, T is pronounced as th. If I write twice Thai, it becomes Thai. Its meaning is wife. For both Lao Pa and Thai have the same meaning, that is wife. And the third word that is we are going to learn is how to say spouse in Chinese. For spouse, we have I. How to pronounce I? Like in English we say I, same as I, and its meaning is love. Wa aini, its meaning I love you. Okay? If I put R-E-N, run meaning person. I run, same as in English we pronounce iron, and its meaning is spouse. 老公, 丈夫 meaning husband. 老婆, 太太 meaning wife. Iron meaning spouse. Now the next guys we have kids or children, son and daughter. How to say, pronounce and write these three in Chinese we will learn. First of all, we have kids or children. For kids or children, we have the Chinese word H, A, and I. Hi, like hi in English. Hi, and if I put here Z, Z-I, Z, it becomes Hai Z, and meaning is kids or children. The next one we have son. How to say son in Chinese? E-R. If I put this Z with R, it becomes Arz. And its meaning is son. The next one, the third one we have is daughter. How to say daughter in Chinese? We have ni. This is a special letter. How to pronounce this word and U? Ni. If I put this R with ni, it becomes ni-er. Its meaning is daughter. Haiz, kids. Arz, son. Ni-er, daughter. And the next we have gender. We have two types of gender, female and male. How to say female in Chinese? Guys, we have the specific word for females, that is ni. It is used for females. If I put with the ni run, it becomes ni run, and its meaning is female gender. The next one we have is male. For male, the specific word we have is none. None is used for man. it shows the person, it shows the gender male, man. And if I put the same word run with none, it becomes none run, none run, none run, ni run meaning female, none run meaning male. And now we have two important words that are very important words, particularly for the young: girlfriend and boyfriend. For girlfriend, guys, we have the Chinese, as I have said earlier, that ni. Ni is for female. If I put here pangyo, we had said earlier, pangyo meaning friend. P-E-N-G-Y-O-U, pangyo. It becomes ni pangyo. Ni pangyo, and its meaning is girlfriend. For boyfriend, as you know that nan is for male persons. If I put here pangyo, it becomes nan pangyo. Nan pangyo, and its meaning is boyfriend. The next two we have teenager girl and teenager boy. These two English words, teenager girl and teenager boy, how to pronounce these two in Chinese and write and say also. As you know that ni is for female. If I put hi, H-A-I, hi with ni, it becomes ni hi. Ni hi, as meaning is teenager girl. For teenager boy, we have nan is for male, and if I put here hi, it becomes nan hi. Nan hi, as meaning is teenager boy. Ni hi, teenager girl. Nan hi, teenager boy. And now guys, we have our last four relationships, but not the least. The first one is parents, or second one is old man, third one is young or young person, and fourth and last is sister-in-law. First we see parents. For parents, the Chinese word is fu, F-U, fu. If I put here mu, M-U, mu, fu, mu, fu, mu, its meaning is parents. For old man, we have lao, L-A-O, lao, lao, lao meaning old. R-E-N, run, run meaning person. It becomes lao run. How to pronounce lao run? Its meaning is old man. For young or young man, we have nian, N-I-A-N, nian. How to pronounce nian? N-Q-I-N-G, qing, qing. In Chinese, friends, Q is pronounced as chi, chi, and this complete word is nian qing, nian qing. Its meaning is young. And the fourth, last but not the least, sister-in-law. For sister-in-law, Chinese word is saozi, S-A-O, sao, sao. If I put z, Z-I, z, it becomes saozi. How to pronounce saozi? Its meaning is sister-in-law. So guys, Fumu, parents, Lao Ran, old man, Nian Qing, young, Saozi, sister-in-law. So guys, this is our today's video. Hope you would have enjoyed and get knowledge from this video. We have covered in this video relationships, and we will further use these relationships in our examples and in sentences in our next videos. And guys, I request you please like my video, share my videos and subscribe my channel, and share my channel to your friends, and please give me your feedback and your suggestions so that I can improve myself and my way of teaching. And guys, stay with me for next videos. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz. Zaijian.